Tila sumablay ang komento ni US President Donald Trump patungkol sa pagbagsak ng US dollar. Patuloy ang pagbaba ng dolyar dahil sa mga polisiya ni Trump sa international trade at diplomasya. Nang tanungin ang presidente kung masyadong mababa na ang halaga ng dolyar, minaliit niya lang ito.
Well, Mr. President, with the current value of the dollar, do you think it's declined too much?
No, I think it's great. I mean, the value of the dollar. Look at the business we're doing. No, dollar's doing great.
You want to see it decline?
You know, it's very interesting. If you look at China and Japan, I used to fight like hell with them because they always wanted to devalue their yen. You know that? The yen and the yuan. And they'd always want to devalue it. They devalue. And I said, not fair that you devalue because it's hard to compete when they devalue. But they always fought, no, our dollar's very good.
Dahil sa mga pinagsasabi ni Trump, lalo pang bumulusok ang halaga ng dolyar. Tumaas naman ang halaga ng yen, euro at sterling.